We interrupt our program to bring you this.
Laugh out loud, my nigga.
So I got a special delivery today, a delivery I had not told you guys about, but hey, today's the day. We're gonna do a little unveiling. If you can see the packages right there behind me, Manny's here with me. We're gonna be doing a little time lapse of the unboxing. It is pretty dark outside, so I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to finish today the whole unboxing, but we'll be able to show you at least some, and if needed we'll do a little continuation tomorrow when the lights up. That way you guys can clearly see it. If you can see, it's a pretty big box. So alright, so we went ahead and placed the camera on the actual tripod because we're going to be recording ourselves. I don't really even know where to start with this big old box.
You should bring you got a knife or something?
Yeah, let me go get a knife.
And then boxes, little box you got here, just a little delivery. Got it.
There you go.
I'm gonna do it, you want me to?
Yeah, do the honors. Do me the honors.
So every time you guys cut something, don't go towards you, you gotta go away from it.
Sorry guys for the straight out bum in here. We weren't expecting this package yet, or at least this late. So forgive us for our tires.
Turn that nothing into something, nigga. I'm trying to bring you down. Say you never gonna be nothing. Do some magic tricks. Turn that nothing into something. I want the rose and jet. Smoking a what's up in tech. I want dope, plenty. Smoking a what's up in Henny. I want the rose and jet.
We got a little bit of popping things. Oh hell, the mighty bumper guns. So right here, boys, it's gonna be going on the Babe. It's gonna be straight out killing the game up there. Well, actually looks nice. Damn, this thing clean, dude.
It is clean. You're missing any parts in there?
It should be a little.
Oh, there's a small piece right there.
Yeah, these are like little fender pieces.
Oh, okay.
So this goes like near the side skirts.
Show 'em.
And then this I'm not sure. You're gonna have to do
Oh, I think it might be like the really, what is it? Like all the way in the back bumper. You don't have like any little small side skirts right there. You're not sure about that.
It's only 2 of them.
Might be.
Yeah, it's only 2 of those. I'm not sure where these are going, but we'll figure it out.
Alright guys, so that's what we got.
It for the little unveiling things. We got this off for pretty cheap compared to other Rocket Bunny kits. So you can see this is the Rocket Bunny version 3 kit. It's soon gonna be going on the Novita FRS. So we're gonna get this sanded and painted and slapped right on.
Alright. So there you have it, guys. Got it.
Peace.
Like Mac and Devin in hell. Yelling fuck 12. I was snorting pills when I got locked up in jail. Bitch, I'm fresh.